Hello Queenies, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Now in today's video I am going to be showing you two gold glam Christmas tablescapes along with TT tree decorating. Now if that sounds interesting, stay tuned, but please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get these tablescapes started. Now for tablescape number one, you will see I still went glam traditional, and this tablescape actually had to feature gold. As you can see, we have gold everywhere, and TT also still did help decorate and set up these tables, so I cannot say that I took full credit, but this is what we created. I'm gonna let you see, and I'm gonna come back here and there and give you different information about this tablescape. Now please make sure that you catch our video coming next week, which is the finale, which is an elegant over the top tablescape decorated your way, so be tuned for that. And this tablescape is part of a collaboration, and it's with Design and Style with Stacy, myself, Glam Queen of Decor, Tammy, Sandra from Levels of Style with Sandra, and Candy from Tablescapes by Candy. Make sure you check out these ladies' videos as well. And to everyone, comment down below on what you would like to see me bring you for this month of November more of. If it's tablescapes, comment give me tables, or if it's room styling, say show me the rooms. But let me know what it is you would like to see more of for this month of November. Please don't forget, we are uploading Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, all at 5:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So please be mindful of that, and make sure you come back to have a fully packed month of November. On the days in between that, you'll be seeing different shorts, because I'm leading you up to every stage of what we're doing for the month of November.
Hey, you want to see my tree?
Yes.
You come and hate you and thing. Like 1, 2, 3. Get 3 hangers.
Now wait.
Bye bye.
And family, this is my overhead view. As you can tell, every time I do a tablescape, I also do a overhead view, so you can see what the table looks like from the top down. So this is my overhead view. And two, family, make sure if you're not a family member of the channel, you subscribe to Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen Unboxing, and Glam Queen Vlogs. We appreciate all of your loyal support. And for Tablescape setting number 2, this is still our Christmas themed tablescape featuring the color of gold. And TT was warning that reindeers, and these reindeers here are actually gold. We have them in different colors, but this is that second tablescape. And comment down below Christmas time if you're ready to see all of the wonderful things we're bringing you for Christmas 2021. And everyone, thank you so much for your love and support in helping the channel grow. I appreciate you. TT appreciates you so much for watching this video, liking it, subscribing, and sharing. Alright, please don't forget to make sure that you check out the other ladies' video. That's Design and Style with Stacy, Levels of Style with Sandra, and Tablescapes by Candy. Be mindful of the last coming video next week, the extra over-the-top glam tablescape, decorated your way, your style, whatever. Make sure y'all join us for that one as well. And once again, family, please don't forget to subscribe to all of our channels. And two, family, you know I can't close out without saying stay blessed and stay positive. We'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye, everyone.